Hi there, I'm Bea, a mixed media artist. Join me as I explore art and creativity, one project at a time. Hello and welcome back to my studio. So glad you joined me today for another video. I hope you are all doing well. Now, today's project was painting a zinnia. We do collect the seeds from our zinnias once they are finished with blooming. We do collect the seeds for next year. So this year we had the seeds from last year, and when you do that, you never know what kind of colors you get in zinnias. Now, I was very surprised to find out that we have a very light color, a little bit of beige, a little bit of a hint of pink, a little bit of yellow. So I was really intrigued by these zinnias. We have a whole bunch of those. So I decided I want to paint one of those zinnias, which I did on this 14 by 40 centimeter or roughly 16 by 16 inch. So yeah, and I decided just to do a part of it. I wanted to enlarge it, obviously, so that is more than life size. I don't know how many times. I mean, the zinnias are about this size. Maybe about this size is a zinnia in our garden. Maybe in other gardens they grow bigger, but that's what they are in our garden. So it is, I don't know how many times. 7 times, 10 times bigger. I just like the idea of blowing up those flowers. So that's what I did with this zinnia. And yeah, as you can see, I didn't replicate exactly. It is just more about the mood, the impression I have about zinnias. Zinnias for me are a lot of petals, very close together. So that's what I tried to achieve here. Now, it is a time-lapse. I will have maybe some captions or maybe even some voiceover when I want to explain something about the process, but it is going to be time-lapse anyway, because it took me a while to, as you can figure out, to paint. It's just a 40 by 40 or 16 by 16 inch, but still it takes a little bit of time because I do work in layers. So. And as final step, I use my charcoal, my oil-based charcoal to outline. And I know there is the hot pink underneath, and that's really not early in life, but I just like the look of it. So that's why I tried to keep the layer of the hot pink from underneath. I even had to add a little bit more with the standard oil pastel to get more of those hot pink outlines. If there are any questions, if there is something not clear in the process, if you have questions, just leave them down below in the comments. I'm always willing to answer the questions if I can. Now, I hope you enjoy, and I hope to see you soon again. Take care. Bye.